for giving me this opportunity to discuss on working of the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. India is the land of great history and see the arrival of various travelers chasing utmost knowledge and wealth. Tourism has transformed into an industry contributing about 6.5 trillion USD to world economy. India is the third largest destination in terms of investment and tourism globally. During 2019, travel and tourism has contributed 6.8% of GDP and almost of 8% of total employment in this country. However, it's unfortunate reality that tourism sector has been one of the most severely impacted sectors of the economy in the wake of COVID pandemic. The industry will have bankruptcies, closure of business, and mass unemployment. The priority for the central and state governments in this challenging time is to address the issues and challenges faced by the sector, which saw the people losing livelihood and employment, with hotels shut, flights grounded for months together, and still not sure when will the industry make a revival and return to the original level of operations. Though many initiatives have been announced by the government in terms of tax concessions and other measures, it's important to infuse liberalized loans and moratoriums on the existing loans to help the industry to come out of the present crisis. It is certain that without the intervention of the government, this industry will not be able to sustain. It is indeed the responsibility of government to handhold this important pillar of our economy through policy interventions at this point of time. In this respect, it is also important to see what other countries have done to revive the industry, and we can learn from the best practices available across the world so that our tourism industry can revive at the earliest. As per the fiscal and monetary policy measures supporting tourism directly, these range from economic relief to tourism businesses, especially SMEs, such as the exemption or postponement of taxes, loan repayments, and tourism-related fees, to the introduction of financial instruments such as special lines of credits, new loan schemes, and investment programs. Other tourism-specific measures include credit guarantees for tourism business and incentive programs to support airlines. Government have already taken few measures in this regard, but more comprehensive and long-term measures are needed to support this stressed sector. Considering the high impact of the crisis as well as the fact that tourism is a labor incentive sector, we should consider specific programs to support tourism, namely in restarting the sector, adoption to new protocols, and recovery. To address the issues, it is important to have coordinated efforts among relevant ministries like Finance, Health, Labor, External Affairs, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Tourism, etc., to ensure horizontal and vertical cooperation at all levels, including national and regional and local governments. It is essential to pinpoint out lessons learned and elaborate a roadmap to respond to future shocks as to build resilience in the sector. Like my friend said, this is the best time. It's the time of pause, where we can just sit quietly and revisit on our tourism strategy. Not alone tourism, for every business that we are in, it is the time to really rethink, and rewrite our strategies for the nation. Now coming to other challenges in the tourism sector, it is basically related to infrastructure and other related aspects of the tourists, like the social security, etc. Once leveraged properly, tourism can be one of the best and the most important sectors of this country, which can generate more employment and development for the country. In this, government should only act as a facilitator and friendly guide, hand-holding public-private partnerships, which needs to strengthen and support the government initiatives. Another area of major concern is that of issues relating to hygiene and cleanliness, Though Swachh Bharat has created some awareness, it is important to continue with the drive on a continuous basis to keep the momentum. To create a sustainable economic and friendly tourism in the country, it is important to create a sound infrastructure and other facilities. Coordination and cooperation between states, central government, and also local bodies is very important in this aspect. With concerned effort of all stakeholders, we definitely can revive this important segment, which is the livelihood of many, and it is the responsibility of all of us to guide this industry to come out of this crisis. In fact, as of now, we are facing a twin challenge. As far as the industry is concerned, one of the the first part is regaining the lost ground due to pandemic, and the other is to create more and better facilities for future. To deal with this twin challenges, we need stronger policies and incentives, and I am hopeful that the government will continue to be sympathetic to the issues and challenges faced by this industry in coming days. Sir, I have few things to tell the ministry. Taking the time, into consideration, make a clear master plan for our country in terms of what we need to do for the tourism sector. Come out with the clear deliverables. What government of India, proudly wanted to say these are the contributions these are in each of the state. This one important project, centrally sponsored, centrally initiated, centrally designed, conceptualized and implemented and operated and maintained. Need not be directly by them, but through the public-private initiatives. Come out clearly to say that the states have to believe that they have to take, these are the models states can automatically emulate. So we need to come out with those sort of plans. Second, identify the right team. The people, at the secretary level and also at the consultants and all stakeholders which are connected. Please come out with a clear deliverables. Who are the teams that are going to be conceptualized, planned, designed, engineered, constructed, operated and maintained. I think it's a very important aspect that I would want Government of India to really show, because you have that clarity, in the current leadership. That's what I'm thinking. So please plan it out.
Your time.
Yeah, just last 1 minute, sir. So like that, come out with the right models which the country can emulate. With reference to the state of Andhra Pradesh, with our dynamic Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, the state is promoting PPP investments in the area of tourism.
Please
and,
finish it.
Just only 1 minute, sir. Hope Island of Kakinada is a model. We have a lot of islands around our country, so we just need to focus on that. Gandikota in Kadapa, Rayalaseema Heritage Tourism, Araku Eco Tourism, Kolleru Lake Tourism, Tirupati Temple Town, and a lot of temples we have in Andhra, those tourisms, all of them together with a clear vision of the Chief Minister, we are really taking into a right direction. So we need Government of India's support to take these developments forward and develop Andhra as a tourist hub in the years to come. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.